In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remitly to send money to the Philippines. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Remitly account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct home screen so the options match what we're about to do. If you're new to the app or website, just move slowly and follow the labels on the screen, because Remitly is designed to guide you clearly through the process. At the top of the screen, click on the country selection area and choose the Philippines. This step is important because it sets the destination country for your transfer. Once the Philippines is selected, the app will automatically show the available transfer and delivery options for that country. Next, click Send Money. This will take you into the money transfer setup, where you can either choose an existing recipient or add a new one. If the person you're sending money to is already saved in your contacts, simply click their name to continue. That can save you time and make repeat transfers much easier. If the recipient has not been saved yet, click New Contact and then select their country. After that, you'll be taken to the section where you enter the recipient's details. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately, because even small mistakes can delay the transfer or cause issues with delivery. Once the recipient information is in place, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly may show you the exchange rate, fees, and the estimated amount the recipient will get. This is a good time to review the transfer total so you understand exactly what you're sending and what the other person will receive. After entering the amount, select the delivery method. The available options can vary depending on the destination and the type of transfer you want to make, so choose the one that fits the recipient's needs best. Then select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer. Once you've chosen it, click Continue. From there, enter the recipient's account details if required, and then follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to review all the details one last time, including the recipient information, amount, delivery method, and payment method. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed and finish your transfer. That's how to use Remitly to send money to the Philippines quickly and clearly.